All right, for this problem, we're going to divide 2/3 divided by 4/7. So again, come over here and grab a pen or a marker, okay? And remember, the rules for dividing are simple. Follow the keep, change, flip rule. So we're going to keep 2/3. So I'm going to write 2/3 in this first box. And we're going to change the multiplication to, we're going to change the division to multiplication. So put a multiplication sign in this box. And then finally, we're going to flip the second fraction. So the reciprocal of 4/7 is 7/4. And now we're going to multiply 2/3 times 7/4. And remember, when you multiply fractions, you're allowed to cross reduce. And in this case, I can reduce the 2 and the 4, right? Because they share a common factor of 2. So this is going to turn into a 1, and this is going to turn into a 2. And now I multiply. 1 times 7 is 7. And 3 times 2 is 6. And lastly, I'm just going to change that into a mixed number because I know 6 goes into 7 once with 1 left over. So we have 1 and 1/6 as our final answer.